Oh man. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Another day of me here alone. But we're about to go do something fun, so hopefully that's entertaining. We're gonna go to Brody's favorite place, Starbucks, to get a puppuccino, huh? And then I gotta run into Target really quick. I will be extra quick because Brody's gonna be in the car. But the main reason I need to go is because I need to get, oh, my tires are low whenever it's cold. I need to get more wrapping paper, but specifically the little stickers that you put on the present that say like from so-and-so to so-and-so, because yeah, none of mine are labeled and I'm gonna start mixing up which presents are for who. So that's like the main reason I gotta go. I'm gonna run in for like 5 minutes. But yeah, first Starbucks, little puppuccino. Are you gonna get a puppuccino? And you know what? I'm happy I'm remembering right now to tell you guys, since I'm coming off of like a cold, I'll be so proud. I grabbed a mask. I'm gonna wear a mask in Starbucks. I apologize again. I already addressed it on Vlogmas Day, maybe it was 13 and 14, whenever I first started feeling sick and was out running errands with my friend Eva. And a lot of you were really upset with me, which like rightfully so. I so get it, and I totally appreciate, I said this in the comment, but I really appreciate you guys holding me accountable. I mean it like from my core, like so sincerely, because in that moment I just started to get a sore throat. I just started losing my voice, and I, to be completely honest, just was not thinking about it. I am someone that like loses my voice a lot, gets sore throats all the time, and I was just running errands with Eva. I was not thinking about the fact that like, should I have grabbed a mask to prevent my cold from spreading to other people? Yes, of course. But I really, it didn't even like phase me, and so I feel really bad about it. I've apologized a bunch. So that's why, even though like I feel totally better now, I sound still kind of a little congested. I grabbed a mask, but I'm just so out of the habit of it here because we haven't had masks mandated in months. Like no one wears masks here. Eva's just used to it since she is visiting from Canada, and where she lives, like they always wear masks. So I didn't even notice that she was wearing one, and like I just didn't even have one. So yeah, I apologize for that again, but I'm being extra responsible. Like I literally have to run to Target. I also have to get like bagels. I have like no food. Anyway, it's just gonna be a quick thing, but I'm going to wear my mask. Just wanted to say that. And yeah, I love all you guys. I care about you so much. I obviously care about everybody's well-being during the pandemic, so it like breaks my heart when I see comments that say otherwise, because I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so misconstrued. Like I just didn't even realize how sick I was getting. But looking back, obviously I'm like cringing looking at that footage. Like it was just, I was just being unaware and like stupid. So yes. Okay. Off to Starbucks. Yay! Wait, can we take a break? Hang on. Don't get out my coat. I'll be so mad at you. I want to get a pic with you, buddy. Poor guy. He deals with so much for me. Okay, those are going to be cute. Come on, you guys. It wouldn't be a real one of my vlogs without our little stop at Starbucks. A little puppuccino moment. I got vanilla, sweet cream, cold brew. I get light sweet cream though. I don't like it to be too sweet to creamy. This is like the perfect color for me. See, it's like not too light, just a little splash. We're having our Starbucks together. Now it's afternoon. I was gonna say our morning Starbucks. Our afternoon Starbucks. You guys, this is my bestie since Max hasn't been home in like a month. I don't even know. My friends always ask me, like my friends from home, or like yesterday I was on FaceTime with my cousin Mandy for a while. She's like, when was the last time Max has been home? And I'm like, I don't even know, like a month. And I'm like, oh. And like I get to see him luckily sometimes, like at his games or whatever. But then it's like for a couple minutes at a time, or like less than 24 hours at a time, you know. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm just happy that he gets to follow his dreams, you know. We've been so independent over here. I feel like it's been so good for me in a way. I'm just like doing my own thing, have my own routine, see my friends here. Obviously I miss Max, like don't get me wrong, but yeah, I don't know. I've just been like getting after it and like doing my own thing. Was that lovely? Is that a good start? Get him licking his lip. Okay, we found the stickers I needed. 25 to and from. Then there's so many like Christmassy wrappings. Let's see. Oh, the penguins and Santa. I like the silver with the snowflake. Ones that say Merry Christmas. Oh wait, candy cane. Oh no, Santa. I like those ones. I think I'm gonna do these because Santa is just speaking to me. Yeah, and then just like red and white. Cute. Maybe I'll grab a candy cane too. There. Now we have options, people. Okay, this section always gets me, especially all the Christmassy stuff. Oh, I've been thinking how a dark green throw would look so good on our couch with our like Christmassy pillows. I feel like this would shed. Maybe that one won't. I don't know. Were you so good while I was talking? He's so sweet, you guys. When I was walking back, I saw him from a mile away looking out the window. I love you. You were such a good boy. Okay. Didn't go with the blanket. I'm like, Gretchen, you literally have 5 minutes in here. Brody's waiting. Just get your essentials and go. So we did these two. It was really hard to show in there because I had like no hands. And then I got this one with the candy canes. It's kind of shiny. Santa and the red and white stripes. Won't that be nice? Then just the essentials. Butter for a recipe I'm making for cookies. Then plain bagels because I've been like dying for a bagel with cream cheese recently, and yeah, we have like no food because it's just me. Oh, I already showed you. Stickers for my presents. And no, you're allergic to this. You cannot have this. Kisses again for my famous peanut butter cookies I make with kisses on top. I think all I needed for that was butter and kisses. I think I have like, I hope I do, like baking soda and brown sugar and all that other type of stuff. And that was our quick little Target run. Fun Starbucks adventure. Honestly, it's like too hot out even for this jacket. I cannot believe it. It's like probably almost 60 degrees out. It's like 50 something. I'm like sweating, but I can drive home now. It's way later. I have Max's game on, you can probably hear, and I wanted to show you guys. I already ate one. I couldn't wait. My the announcers are so loud. My Baked by Melissa cupcakes came. They're like holiday ones. Look how yummy. There's like Christmas cookie, caramel, hot cocoa. So good. It's the next morning. I have some explaining to do. I was just going through my footage from yesterday and there is like barely any. I apologize. I just am here by myself and I feel like there's not that much going on, and so it's like hard to show fun exciting things when I'm not doing fun exciting things. I feel like this Vlogmas is getting so boring. I apologize, but it's about to get better, so let me fill you in. Basically, yesterday, hopefully the Target Starbucks run was entertaining enough for the whole video because that's about it. Basically, I think I said too, I was running to Target, I just needed like Hershey Kisses, I think that was mainly, and like butter for my famous peanut butter cookies with Hershey Kiss. And then literally right as I got home, I got a text that our like wine night, like girls night tonight, which would have been like so fun to show, got canceled. Basically, long story short, a bunch of the Phantoms games here have been getting canceled recently, and I don't even think it's the teammates, like Max's teammates here, that are sick and have COVID. It's other teams that they're playing against are on COVID protocol because their players have COVID, and so then games will get canceled, and then they're just like strict about obviously us getting together as like a group, or if that makes sense. And so we were just like, it got canceled because we're like, let's just be safe, especially with the holidays coming up. We don't want to do like a big group gathering. So then I was like, okay, I just got all these ingredients for these cookies. I'm not gonna make like a million peanut butter cookies and we're not all gonna. So like basically things are just getting canceled. We're just like being safe because other people have COVID, and obviously we just want to be safe, especially since I'm about to see my family. My mom, this is what I mean, it's about to get exciting. My mom, my sister's boyfriend Dara, who hasn't been here in like 2 years because of COVID. He is visiting now. He just got here this past week for the first time since 2019. Like, it's so crazy. And so they're actually coming to visit tomorrow. So it's about to get exciting again. I'm about to have like fun stuff to show people that I'm with. I'm like, oh god, God, you guys must be so bored. It's literally me and Brody like chilling, and so I apologize. But yeah, I was gonna show like baking cookies and then I didn't bake them because our get together was canceled. But obviously I think it's good that we're all just like being safe and everything, and with like everything going on in our area. And then oh, I showed the game was on last night and I didn't even pull out the vlog camera, but it was all exciting. Or you guys heard it in the background when I was talking about cupcakes. Max scored his second NHL goal and it was so exciting. Also, another thing, I just feel like COVID's really like ramping up, or it's kind of like everywhere. Basically their game was in Montreal yesterday and they found out like an hour before the game that it was going to be no fans, and so that's like kind of sad because he's like, normally it's like such a historic rink, like it's so cool, the whole place is like rocking, like sold out, and then there were no fans. But obviously still so exciting that he scored his second NHL goal. Brody and I were dancing around, we were all excited. I like want to ask him, I wonder if that affects the players. I mean, I'm sure it does. Empty crowd versus like full crowd of fans, you know, maybe they just, it feels less like, if I was a player I would think it feels less like real or less like legit, or I would just think it feels like practice, you know, without any fans. But clearly he was still playing hard because he scored a goal. That was really exciting. Sorry I didn't like vlog that, but yeah, basically there's like not much going on over here until tomorrow, which will be exciting. So yeah, sorry, that's like all I had to show. Like I was gonna show like Target run and like baking cookies, and then there was no baking any cookies. The only real thing I can update you guys on is I bought more wrapping paper and these little stickers yesterday. So good thing I got these stickers so we could see whose gifts are for who. Huh? Yeah. You always have to be a part of everything. Like I can't have a moment without you, huh? Do you like the sticker I chose? To Max from Gigi. Ooh, some of them. I have a couple more gifts for Max. I'm gonna rate to Max from Brody with a little paw print. How does that sound? Look who followed me back in here. Surprise, surprise. He's looking around like, who? You. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to bore you. Like, it's literally me and Brody chilling. And yeah, tomorrow will be exciting, so I might as well save the vlog camera for tomorrow when fun things are going on. Oh my gosh, and Max has a game in Philly tomorrow night, so we're all gonna go. And now his sister Chase is in New York City and she's gonna like train in, and my friend Gracie's boyfriend is also called up right now, so he'll play tomorrow night. She's gonna go, and like there's just gonna be a whole group of us. It's gonna be so much fun. So promise, exciting things to come. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Sorry if this one's a little bit shorter. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.